Okay, so this is the new McDonald's called Vkusno Tochka, and that's probably not the best name, but their logo is pretty good. Everyone I have met or seen here really still calls it McDonald's. A few differences: they don't have a McFlurry, there's no Big Mac, but pretty much everything looks the same. Let's see if it tastes the same. All right, so they still have the self-order machine. Jalapeno chicken premier burger. All right, let's see. English. Dine in. Great, new things. Let's see what the burgers they have. Let's go for beef. They got the Grand, a Mont Blanc burger, big special double. Let's see, fries and snacks. Wow, they've got fries. I love the wedges. Combos. Chicken premier. Big special. I wonder if the big special is kind of like a Big Mac. I don't know. Oh, they still have the shrimp, and they also have chicken wings. I really do love their little shrimps. They're really good. Yum, yum, yum. Desserts. There you go, cherry pie. Spicy apple pie. Interesting. New items and special, so that's their special burgers. Sauces. Cheddar, sweet chili, garlic, barbecue. Caesar, olive oil. That's different. We have more sauces than we do. Drinks. There you go. You got Dobry Cola and Lipton iced tea. All right. Well, let's go order something. All right. Okay, so this cost me all of 346 rubles, and I've got potato wedges, I've got my chicken jalapeno burger, I've got my, this is a garlic dip, which I love, and the new Dobry Cola. Let's see how it goes. All right, so those are the home style fries, the wedges. They're very good. I've had these before. Here's a chicken premier burger with the jalapenos. And yeah, that looks really good. Looks just kind of what you'd expect. Chicken burger. Huh. It tastes like McDonald's. Is it the sauce? Is it the mayo? Is it the chicken? Yeah, it's good. Let's see what the Dobry Cola is like. It's actually pretty close too, so it's actually not too bad. It tastes really similar. Now, fun fact, you can't use the ordering machine because you have to use your card. So you're bringing cash everywhere you go, and you have to order at the counter so you can pay in cash because there's no other way around it. But look, definitely don't mind. I'd give Vkusno Tochka another try, for sure.